Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to live day trading. It's Friday, April 17th of May 2026. Wait, what? No, anyway, looking onto the charts. So we're bullish, obviously. We've been bullish this whole entire week, except for yesterday. We took a short, even though it was just like longs right after that. Like, if you want to go check, this was. Wait, what? Oh, holy, that's gross. Yeah, basically, we took that little short, got that W, and then right after that, it went up. It was, yeah, it was okay just consolidating after it took a long. It was kind of gross, but we're still bullish right now. Bullish on the 1 hour, bullish on the 4 hour. Yeah, bullish on everything. So, I mean, I'm kind of forced to be bullish, you know what I mean? I mean, we do have this low time frame liquidity all right here, but price is kind of far away from that. So, we have a 5-minute fair value gap right here, and then we have this 15-minute fair value gap that we could come into, which we are in right now, to go up higher. Or if we inverse this, maybe we go down to these lows. Like pretty much whichever one's closer. So they're basically the same thing right now, but ES is a little bit lower. So I guess we'll see what we do off this 15-minute fair value gap once the price opens up and market open. And yeah, we'll see what we do. But we are at all-time highs, unfortunately, so it's kind of hard to like do longs when you're at all-time highs, because I don't really know how to trade all-time highs right now, so I guess we'll figure that out. All right, market's open. Oh, we inversed this 5-minute, so all right, we're just tanking, I guess, on Nasdaq. ES came up a little bit. I kind of want to see what we do with this low right here. Maybe that will give us like a sign of a SMT if one of them takes them out and the other one doesn't. We could reverse off that. Like if Nasdaq takes it out, ES doesn't take it out. We reverse. Boom, bang, boom. Like that. Something like that, like that. Break even, like somewhere in here. I'm spitballing. I don't know. Alright, guys, so I'm kind of looking for longs on ES right now. I don't know what Nasdaq's doing. I'm trying to see if we want to create an SMT to the upside or downside right now. It's kind of giving me mixed signals. Like I'm looking at these highs and ES is above them, but like it didn't even create highs. This isn't even a high. This is a high that got passed. So I'm kind of looking at like how everything's bullish. And then, I mean, we're bearish on the 5-minute. We broke structure, but we came into that 15-minute fair value gap. And I'm kind of waiting for like price to inverse this gap right here on ES, which is about to do right now, but I'm really about to enter off that. And I'll put my stops here. Or take profit here. I'm just like not too confident about that trade. We close, dude. Maybe if we close above this high. Whoa. Well, holy. Yo. Okay. Guess we're tanking. We inverse this gap. Dude. Let's see what's past this high. Dude, that is a fat ass stop loss. I can't have it be that big. Holy sh. So I entered because we inversed this fair value gap and created this 5-minute SMT divergence right here, with Nasdaq leading to the upside. And ES took out this low again. We swept this low, and we inversed this gap on Nasdaq, and we inversed it on ES right here. I was gonna do 2 contracts, but that would have been way too much. If I would have hit my daily loss limit really fast. If it goes to my stop loss. Alright, I guess we're reversing again now. I'm not sure why. Alright. Nasdaq looks horrible. ES looks way better. ES probably gonna hit London before. Bro, what? Why is Nasdaq going down? This would have been the trade on ES probably. Bro, not even at freaking break even right now. What is Nasdaq doing? Dude. If ES hits London high, then I'll probably move my stop loss to break even because I don't know why Nasdaq is lagging so far behind. Yes, I'm looking at Porsches right now, chat. Porsche 718 Cayman, 718 Boxster, 718 Cayman Style Edition, Boxster Style, Cayman S. Oh my, this one's nice. Cayman GTS 4.0. I really gotta stare at this. Once ES hits, I'm moving stop loss to break even on Nasdaq. Dude, these cars are so nice. 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 is nice. Wow, dude, that's crazy. Would have been a W trade on ES. I mean, Nasdaq was leading though, so I took a trade on Nas. It makes sense. There's no way, bro. Move it to there at least. Edging again. Bro. One. There's no way it does this shit again, bro. $137,000. Dude, that is crazy how price can do that. Alright. There's no way 3 times in a row. There's no way. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my. Okay, there we go. Took it out. Alright, we closed our position right there because we were above 53,000, and that is the actual goal of passing the account. So we passed the account. This time's actually for real. Let's refresh this page. Okay, so the trade was to be on ES, but it doesn't matter. I could have held it to here and had a freaking 1 to 3.82, which would have been really nice, but we literally passed the account. So let's double check. Okay, it still says active. Maybe it needs to actually load 53,000. 53,000. And I'm not trying to lose. You're left in the dust. Okay, I actually don't know, chat. I don't know why. I think it just has time to load. Because, like, clearly we passed it. Every time I leave, you know you. I mean, W trade, 1,086. Alright, guys, I don't know. I'll update you guys on my, like, Instagram and TikTok. Because I'm not sure. But, I know I passed it. So, we just have to wait for that email. And then, payout is next. I'm like a Jew. Ready? Look. You know? So, W trades this week. Yeah, absolutely phenomenal. Every single day I got a win, except for Tuesday because I didn't trade. So, really good performance by me. And let's see what we got next week. Monday we trade, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day next week. Okay. Maybe not on Tuesday because I don't know what this is. The Syndicate Warsh testifies. I don't know what that is. So, but yeah, most likely every day next week besides Tuesday. All right, guys. See ya.